Well, hello everyone. It's Bo Tipton here. I want to do a quick video about how to use the program CashJuice. Real good program. It does get you traffic. A lot of people who are joining my downline and other people's downlines are having a little trouble figuring it out. So I thought I would do a very, very quick video here and help you understand it a little better. So this is CashJuice. This is in the back office. Three things you want to pay attention to is your total referrals, your hits on your link, and your followers. This one here especially because that's the people that are going to see what you post on there. Now this is a place for you to meet people, to network with people, but also for you to get traffic to any website that you want to get traffic to. Now when I say any website, that is with the criteria that the website meets the targeted the targeted audience that is here. That it matches the audience that you have here, what they are looking for. So if you came on here and tried to post links for ice cream, you probably wouldn't do very good. If you post links for people to get more traffic to the website, you'd probably do pretty good. So there's several things about this. This works in conjunction with 3 other traffic exchanges, and those are right here on the plan. We'll get to those in a minute. Here is the biggest one. This one right here that's called a Post Rotator. Now this is any post that you make on here. You can go in and make your post show up as an ad. For instance, there it is. For instance, to show your post, you're going to have credits. You can get them by clicking right here and viewing post. Little box come up, has a 5-second timer on it. And see this post right here? That's a post they made. When I click next, it's going to go to the next one, but I got 1 credit to show my post. So this is a place for you to show post to other people on CashJuice beside your followers. Okay, beside your followers. So let me close this out. So if you go over here to feed and you come in and make a post about anything that you want to make a post about, Bitcoin or a program you have or whatever it is that you want to make a post about. Once you put that post in there, you can go back to Post Rotator and you can go down and add a campaign right here, add a campaign, and it's going to ask you to choose a post that you want to rotate. Now, if you are a free member, you can do 1 campaign at a time. So this is how you get traffic. One of the ways that you get traffic to wherever you want it to go is by doing this. By doing a post about what you want other people to see, come into the Post Rotator, add it, and when people are getting credits, so theirs will be seen, they'll see yours. Called a traffic exchange. You're exchanging traffic. Okay, so that's where you're going to get your advertising from. Now again, remember, most of the people on here are wanting to build a business. They're wanting more traffic to the website. They're wanting sign-ups to the website. And anything that will help them do that does very good on here. If you're going to try to come on here and sell you have an ice cream truck you want to get rid of, and come on here and try to sell your ice cream truck, you're probably not going to do very good. But that is the feed and the Post Rotator. You have to go to the feed, put in your post, and then come to the Post Rotator and make a campaign. Very simple. Select the one you want, and then to get credits right here. Now you can do this on your phone. I do it on my phone. I have an Android, and I do it on Google Play. It works very simple. Sitting there waiting for my food to come at lunch, or sitting at a traffic light, or any number of places, and I sit there and view those ads to get me visitors. Now, does this work? Here's a big question: does it work? Well, I have been here a total today, as I'm making this video, I have been on CashJuice a total of 6 days. This is my 6th day. And if you look, I've got 28 referrals. I've had over almost 4,000 hit on my link in 6 days. And I have 115 followers. And I have been doing very, very simple tasks to do that. The very first thing that I did was the plan. And I went and joined. Now, if you go to the plan and haven't done this, it won't look like this. You're going to have to go through the steps to get here. But here's the 3 traffic exchanges. Now, it's very important. Here's the thing. It's very important that if you do this, if you join and are going to be trying to refer anybody to CashJuice, because you can make money referring people. If you're going to be referring anybody to CashJuice, that you join these 3, even if you don't have any intentions of using them. You're going to join Traffic Ad Bar and these 3. Why? Because you're going to get your ID and put it in there. If you already remember, that's fine. Just go get your ID and put it in there. Here's the reason it's important. If somebody comes and joins CashJuice, they decide to go through the plan, and your IDs are in here, they become your referrals at these traffic sites. And some of these traffic sites, as they surf, you will earn a certain percentage of credits off of when they surf so that you can place your own ad on that traffic exchange. These are all traffic exchanges. So even if you have no intention of ever using them, go in, join them, and come back and put your IDs, because those people become your referrals, and you can, if people upgrade or buy credits at these traffic exchanges, even make money there. Okay? So the plan, it's very important that you do that. You go in and work through the plan, even if you don't use those. Now, as I said, you can make money here. You know, I've been here 6 days. This is day number 6. I've already made a little bit of money, not a lot, but already made a little bit of money. One of the reasons is I'm telling my new referrals to wait till they upgrade. Wait. You know, learn what you're doing, see what you're doing, get you some followers, and then upgrade. Then upgrade. When you have a few followers and you figure out what you're doing, then upgrade. And you won't see this here. Yours will look different. It'll be asking you to upgrade if you're not upgraded. This is what happens after you upgrade. You know, it tells you about some of the things that you get from upgrading. Now, how do you get followers? Very easy. Follow other people. Now, here's the key about getting followers. You can only have a certain number. You can only follow a certain number of people on here. Okay? You can only follow a certain number of people. And people that you follow, a big percentage of them are going to follow you back. So how do you get followers? By following other people. But if you're going to follow a certain number of people, be careful who you follow. For instance, if we go down here and, let me find my followers. There's my followers. Okay, if you find somebody that has been on here and they have a bunch of followers, you can go and click on them. But one of the things that you're looking for followers, people to follow who are active. If they haven't been on here in a month, don't follow them. Wait till they're active. You're trying to find people that are active. You can also, see, he was on here 2 hours ago. Good one to follow. He's active. He was on here yesterday. Good one to follow because they're active. If you go up on the news feed, right there's the news feed, and these are people that are active. You know, 26 minutes, 19 minutes, you know, an hour ago. These are good people to follow because they're active. They're on the site. And the chances of them following you are much higher. So all you do is you click their name. This comes up, and right here it'll ask you if you want to follow them. And once you follow them and they follow you, you can send them messages. But you just click that you want to follow them. And I just use the back button, go back, get the next one. But this is a very, very good place to find people who are active. People haven't been on here a month or so, and I wouldn't follow them. Chances of them following you back are slim next to none. And here's the importance again about the followers is the fact that these are the ones that are going to see your post, all your posts, without having to use a Post Rotator. The Post Rotator lets you show specific posts to people who are not your followers. Understand that? The ones following you see all your posts just like on Facebook or any other social media. The Post Rotator lets people who are not following you see your post when they're trying to get credits. So you have two very, very good ways to get traffic on here. Now, one more thing I want to show you is this one here. It's called the leagues. Don't get caught up in getting rank. Don't do it. If you're getting followers like you need to, you're getting traffic like you need to, and you're getting referrals like you need to, you will move up in rank. And if you go into click leads and you'll come to this page and go right here, your league position, it shows you where you're at. Now, I wasn't here last month. I've only been here 6 days. So far this month, I'm ranking 10th on the site and 53rd overall. That's everybody that's been here for several months. I'm 53rd, but here I'm 10th for the month. Is that important? Is it important that you get up there? No, it's important that you get followers, you get traffic to your referral link so that you can get referrals and that you can make money. That's what's important. If you do that, this is a natural byproduct of it. This is a natural byproduct. And again, if this has been 6 days, I have not been doing anything super special that anybody else can't do. I've been using traffic exchanges. I took my link and put it on traffic exchanges. Been using safe lists just like anybody else can do to make that happen. Why? Because when I decide I want to do something, I'm going to do it. I'm going to put a good effort into it. Now, one big thing about this that's very important, if you join, make sure you do everything that needs to be done. Put your picture up. Put in a short bio. You can't put in a big one. Put in a short bio. And go through the plan. Make sure you do that. Because otherwise, there's no reason to join it. And if you do and use these two, the Post Rotator and the feed with followers, so that your followers see your feed, and the Post Rotator so that other people see any post that you choose, it works. And if you'll just take your link and put it out there, this is brand new. I mean, this CashJuice hasn't been out that long. It's an ideal time to get out there. Everybody hasn't seen it. A lot of people promoting it right now, but there's still a whole lot of people that haven't seen it. And a lot of people have to see it 2 or 3 times. You may be that second or third time that they see it, and they go ahead and decide to join. So anyway, there's a little bit about CashJuice. You have any questions, you can contact me. I'm not hard to find. BoTipton.com is one of my websites. There's contact information on there. You can find me on Facebook, BoTipton1 on Facebook. I'm on Twitter. Just look me up. And I'm always willing to help you, always willing to answer questions. So is CashJuice worth it? Yeah, it is. Can you get traffic off of it? Yes. Can you get sign-ups for it? Well, there, right there's proof. 6 days. I've been here 6 days. Am I going to continue to support it? Yep. Yep, I will. And I'm going to support my followers and the ones that come in as my referrals. But anyway, if you have not joined yet, down there is going to be a link to join. Okay? Right down below, there'll be a link to join if you haven't joined yet. If you have, and I don't care who you joined under, who referred you there, if you have any questions, and you're on there, you can contact me there. It's probably the easiest way. But contact me, and I'll be glad to help you any way I can. Y'all have yourself a wonderful day. And, the only thing I can say is get busy. It's sitting there waiting for you. Get busy and get it done. There's some good traffic. Talk to you soon.